Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to receive money with Wise. There are multiple ways which I'm going to show you in this video. So let's get started. And the first one which I'm going to show you is receive a payment using your email or phone number. You can also receive money from your email and phone number. How? What do you need to do? Just go to the top right corner. Click this. Under this, you will find setting. Open this, and once you are at setting, you will see something like this. And here you can see we have contacts on Wise. Send and receive from people on Wise without using bank details. So you don't need any bank details. You just need to share your own email and obviously your phone number. And what happens? Just enable this. Make sure to enable this. Otherwise, people on Wise cannot find you. Once you enable this, people will start finding you, as you can see. So the second method is debit card. Obviously, you can also order a debit card from Wise, and there are many advantages of this. Why? Because if you have this Wise card and if you share this detail from someone, they don't even need a Wise account to transfer you money, and Wise will not charge you any fees for receiving money. So in my opinion, this is one of the best option, and if you want to order it, just click on this option. Here we have two options, physical and digital. If you go for the digital, obviously it's free. And if you want to go for the physical, it might take some time to receive. As you can see over here, arrives within 10 days and it costs starting from €7. So you can go either one of them from your own choice. So this is the second method which you can choose to receive money from Wise. There is one more way to receive money from Wise is through account details. So here we have two currencies, Japanese yen and also US dollar. If you want to receive US dollar, you must share your account details of your US dollar if you want to receive through account. And if you want to receive Japanese yen, so make sure to get details from Japanese yen's account. So how you can get that information, your account information of these currencies? Just click on any one of them, and here I am at USD balance, and at the top you will find get account details. Click on this option and you will see something like this. Here you just need to deposit €20 and also verify your identity. We will need to check your ID. It's one of the ways we keep your money safe. So after that you will receive your account details. It might be a longer process, but this is one of the most suitable thing to do. There is one more way very similar to these currencies, that if you click on request and if you're requesting any money from different currencies, as you can see over here, like in this tutorial I'm going with British pound, and click on confirm, and here you will see the same information they are asking to verify your account. Once you do that, deposit your €20 and after that verify your identity. At the top you will see that you are going to ask money, right? You are going to request. So you need to add that money over here, and after that you just need to click on done. So this is also one of the way to receive money from Wise. And as you can see that Wise have already made an account for me. Instead of going in and creating your account, you just need to click on this request button. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to receive money from Wise in different best ways. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.